Hello friends, my name is Amasood. Today we'll discuss about a topic, the difference between Scrum and Agile. And today's topic is very interesting and very important with respect to project management, and today we'll see this topic in detail. So first of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So friend, let's start. Scrum versus Agile. Friend, Scrum or Agile both are the methodologies which we use for managing the software development projects. Whenever we are implementing projects, so we have many approaches to implement. So one approach is Scrum, and another approach is Agile for managing the software projects. So let's start. What is the difference between Scrum and Agile basically? First of all, friend, see the Agile software development. This is a continuous iteration of development and testing in the software development, whereas the Scrum is an agile process to focus on delivering the business value in the shortest time. Basically, see, friend, Agile is a methodology which is used for software development, and in this approach, basically, what we do, the development and testing we do simultaneously. Like we develop and then test and then deliver, develop, test, and then deliver. And the Scrum is basically a framework which is based on the agile approach, and the main focus of agile, a main focus of Scrum is that we can deliver the things to customer in a shortest time period. First difference is between agile and Scrum is that. Then agile methodology delivers the software on a regular basis for feedback, while a Scrum deliver the software after each sprint. What is a sprint? A sprint is a 3 to 4 week time period, friend. And in the Scrum, what we do that we divide the work in the sprint. Like we decide that within 3 to 4 weeks we deliver these particular tasks. However, like first of all, in the Scrum framework, the time duration difference, like a sprint is a fixed time period, around 3 to 4 weeks time period, and within 3 to 4 week time period, we have to deliver few things to customer. Okay, this is the concept of sprint in Scrum. While in the Agile, there is no such concept of sprint. We use the regular basis. So regular basis can be 3 months, 1 month, 2 months. So there is no concept of sprint in the Agile basically. Then in the Agile process, the leadership plays a vital role. On the other hand, Scrum fosters a self-organizing cross-functional team. This is a very important point, friend. Like in the Agile, there is a concept of a leader, like project manager role or something like that in the Agile. Whereas in the Scrum, there is no such concept of project manager in the Scrum. Why? Because see, the Scrum framework says that the team should be self-organized and self-motivated, and they are Scrum team has a very vital and important role in the Scrum framework. There is no such role of the leader or project manager in the Scrum framework. Then Agile involves collaboration and face-to-face interactions between the members of the various cross-functional team, whereas Scrum collaboration is achieved in daily stand-up meetings. A friend, in the Scrum, there is a concept of daily stand-up meeting, which is around 15-minute meeting in which the Scrum team members, Scrum Master, Product Owner, normally they discuss that what happened yesterday, what they are doing today, what they are going to plan to do tomorrow, what are the issues and risks they are facing, and how they should have to handle it, etc. So there is a concept of daily stand-up meeting which is of 15 minutes. While the Agile, there is no such concept of daily stand-up meeting. There are interactions, like there are interaction with customer, with the team, face-to-face meeting, but there is no such concept of daily stand-up meeting as particularly in the Scrum framework. In Agile process, design and execution should be kept simple, while whereas in Scrum process, design and execution can be innovative and experimental. This is a very big difference. Scrum appreciate the creative ideas, initiation ideas. However, the Agile says that things should be simple, and the main focus of Scrum is on creativity and in his innovative ideas. However, the Agile is basically focus on the simple things. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.